Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to freeze column here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Freezing columns in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your workflow and data management. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to freeze the columns, all right? So in this case, this is going to be the file where I want to freeze and identify, okay? I'm going to click on it. Now, all you have to do is really simple. It's a walk in the park and like a piece of cake. Because just select the column that you wanted to freeze, right click on it, and there's going to be an option that says freeze column. Okay, it's very easy. Now, this is particularly useful in collaborative environments where multiple people, like if you're working with freelancers, with your clients, team members, collaborators within an organization or a big team working on the same sheet, because it ensures that everyone has consistent access to the most important columns, reducing the likelihood of errors. And of course, you can do this to all of the columns that you wanted, all right? For example, I wanted to freeze the entire column right here. All we have to do is freeze column. It's that easy. Now, when preparing reports or presentations using Smartsheet, freezing columns helps you focus on relevant data, ensuring that key information is always visible, making the report easier to understand. And if you want to unfreeze the columns, just click on the undo button or pressing Ctrl+Z or Command Z on Mac, or right click on it and unfreeze column. It's really easy. But of course, although it's easy, it creates a more user-friendly interface, especially in complex sheets. It reduces the need to constantly scroll back and forth, making the sheet easier to use. It allows for easier comparison of data across different columns. You can keep reference data like baseline figures in view while comparing it with current performance, right? Now, I find it very useful by keeping important fields such as this one, for example, the task that I'm working with my team. I always make sure it's freeze like row headers or identifiers in view, so it reduces the risk of entering data in the wrong row or column, ensuring greater accuracy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.